Hey guys, it's Bhattarai from USU's 4-H Extension in Weber County, and today we are going to germinate seeds in a bag. While they're not really going to germinate today, that's going to take a couple of days. When you plant seeds in a garden, you know that if it has enough warmth and water, that eventually a seedling will pop up out of the ground. Do you actually know what a seed looks like when it starts to sprout? This easy experiment will give us a look at what happens under the ground. For this activity, you will need a plastic bag. Quart size is preferred. A paper towel, water, staples, which are optional, and of course, seeds. Now I'm going to be using snow pea seeds. However, you can use whatever you have already at home. Pumpkin, radish, corn. You can even try to find seeds in your kitchen, such as popcorn kernels, dried beans, garbanzo beans, lentils. Just make sure that they haven't been roasted. If you don't want to use a plastic bag, you can use a recycled glass or plastic jar. So first we need to get the paper towel wet. You want the paper towel to be wet, but you do not want it to be dripping, so wring out the paper towel. Okay, that should be good. Next, you want to open up your paper towel and then fold it so that it fits inside the bag, but it lays flat. Okay, that's like close enough. Now add your seeds. I use like 5 to 6 seeds depending on their size. Seal your bag, but don't worry about it being airtight. Trust me, this thing is not gonna be airtight. So this next part is optional, but I like to staple a line across the bag so that my seeds have a spot to sit. Super easy. Now all you need to do is just give your seeds some time. Place your bag somewhere that has light and warmth, such as a sunny window or on a refrigerator door. Check on them every day, but realize that germination takes a couple of days. How early do you first see your seeds sprout? Scientists gather information and collect data. You can collect data on your experiment by documenting what the seed looks like in a seed journal, or you can use this printable, which you can download from our Facebook group, Weber County 4-H STEM. This is what our bean seeds look like after 4 days. Here is another set of pea seeds germinating after a week and then 2 weeks. Share your seed germination pictures and data at our Facebook group. Wait, what was the Facebook group again? Oh, right, Weber County 4-H STEM. Weber County 4-H STEM. Thanks for watching, bye. Oh no, did I break it? We're good. It's all good.